Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a Yandex account. First of all, open your Yandex app. Then you'll be in a page interface something like this, and you can see select an email service and you can see Yandex as the first option. You'll have to tap Yandex because we're trying to make a Yandex account and not Google or Outlook or Hotmail. So tap on Yandex. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Tap on Create ID, which is just below Login. After that, it might take a while to load, then you'll be redirected to a page something like this and you'll have to provide your phone number and tap on Next. Then Yandex will send you an OTP code in your phone number, then you'll have to type in the OTP code and tap on Next. After that, you'll have to provide your basic information such as your name, last name and tap on Next. After that, you'll be redirected to this page and you'll have to tap on the box besides I don't want to receive ads or other offers from this Yandex service and tap on Accept. Then you can choose your username or you can type in your own username and you'll have to type in a new password. After typing in a new password, you'll have to tap on Register. After that, a few formalities is still left and you'll have to tap on the box besides I don't want to receive ads or other offers from Yandex service again and tap on Register. After that, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Tap on Continue, then tap on Continue again and tap on Get Started. After that, your Yandex account is created. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.